Hi, so I want to show you how to clean your AC in case it starts to smell. So you need to, the reason the smell comes from, it's from this, that the radiator you can see there is the evaporator. It's the inside part of your AC, and this gets very cold and water condensates on it, and this water traps dust, and it grows bacteria that will start to smell, mold and stuff like that. So you can normally put some spray. They sell some stuff that you can just put it in the car, and then you put your ventilation on, and it takes that antibacterial stuff over it, but you'll not clean the grime that's on it. You just kill the bacteria, and by next year the smell will come back. So that's not a real solution. A better one is to clean this. Once you clean this, for a couple of years you'll have no more problem. Now there are a couple of ways to do it. Best way is to do it with steam, pressure steam. So if you can, if you have, or you can buy one, I'll put a picture here. If you can buy one, that's the ideal version. But if you don't have one, I'm gonna show you a quick version. So you might have one of these, is water pick for your teeth, but I recently read it's not actually healthy because it injures a bit the gum, make more problems. So I decided to quit this, and I just stripped it off because it had a tank here. Plus the tank and these pipes make a lot of nasty stuff on it, and you cannot clean it unless you break it apart. So what this basically is, it's a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Yeah, this is the port. It has a chip here that does the charging. And then you have two buttons here. This one, 3 modes in which the motor, okay, and this is just connected to a small DC motor, and I cannot open it now, but it has here a wheel round, so the motor teeth are over this, and connected here is just like in the car, a small piston that's connected to this round wheel, and it just moves like this and pushes this piston up and down, and that creates suction here, which pushes the water up through here. Anyway, this one has quite a big pressure. You do need to make one small adjustment to it because normally the tank is here and this pipe is very short. Alright, so what you do, this is the original one. I just cut it here and I put this. This is an IV line. You can buy it from the pharmacy. It's just $1 or something like that, and it's much longer. You just plug it into this, and then take a bottle of water, tap water, just put this. Also put this end here, otherwise this pipe will tend to get a vacuum and stuck to the walls. Okay, so just put this in. I've also put a flashlight here so you can see better inside, and then just press the button. There, you see it has quite a bit of pressure. And try your best to clean it as better as the space allows. Alright, now one more thing. How do you get access to this place? So in my case I just had to remove this. Actually it comes in 2 pieces. You first remove this, and then as you can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can remove all this, and you get access to this. Here is manual, so you can see once you push this, you can get access to it. And one more thing, this is the cold and hot part. So there's the cold. Now if I move it to hot, you see it's this divider, because there's one radiator for cold air back there and another one closer in here with hot water. So I'm not sure exactly if you can get access like this with the automated one. Normally you should be able, because you just need to put it to, so you need to put it to front. This will open it. But problem is, you see with the manual you can stop in between like this. So I'm gonna show you the two extremes. So this is completely to front. You do get access to the radiator, but in this side you don't get. So the best access you get is like in between like this. You see something like this. So this part you'll need to figure it out on your car. It's gonna be a bit different. Hope you found this useful. Like and subscribe if you wanna see more. Another use you can do with this, you can just use it as a power washer and clean your car. Let me show you. Alright, so